In this segment, we're going to cover adjusting exhaust valve cylinder number 3, part 2. And on each one of these valves, it's always the same procedure. Just the clearance varies from the intake to the exhaust side. And the common standard 4-cylinder engine for many years is a 12-valve engine. The 16-valve gives it capability of better breathing and higher RPM capabilities, more for performance design motor. And another thing that's found quite regularly on a lot of the newer 4-cylinders is a 3-valve per cylinder configuration where it will use 2 intakes and 1 exhaust. And I'm just following the same procedure as before. And if you notice, if you don't get your wrench on correctly and you go to adjust your center adjuster, that the nut will just spin with that adjuster quite often. And that just, as you're backing it off and coming back down, it can make it kind of difficult. A lot of extra strokes required to get the nut back to tight again. So you want to make sure you pay attention and stay on top of that. And it gets kind of tedious with the slippery oil. But okay, I got where I want it and tightened it down. And I'll check it twice, and that one feels great. That will conclude adjusting the exhaust valve, cylinder number 3, part 2. Please watch our next segment on rotating the engine 180 degrees so we set up the next rotation in the firing order.